Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study high school math effectively. First, focus on truly understanding the underlying concepts rather than simply memorizing formulas. This foundational knowledge will help you solve a wider range of problems. Next, consistent practice is crucial. Regularly working through problems solidifies your learning. Don't hesitate to seek help from your teacher or peers when you encounter difficulties. Active engagement is key to success. To practice effectively, always work through example problems step by step. This helps you understand the methodology behind each solution. Make sure to complete all your assigned homework. It's designed to reinforce what you learned in class. Additionally, reviewing past tests and quizzes is invaluable. It highlights areas where you might need more practice and helps you avoid repeating similar mistakes in the future. Make the most of available resources. Your math teacher often holds extra help sessions, which are perfect for clarifying doubts and getting personalized assistance. Forming a study group with classmates can also be incredibly beneficial. Discussing challenging topics together can lead to new insights. Don't forget to explore online tutorials and educational videos, as they can offer different explanations and perspectives on complex subjects. When preparing for tests, start by creating a study schedule several days in advance. This allows for thorough review without last-minute cramming. Practice under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment, which helps manage anxiety and improve your speed. Remember, a calm and focused mind performs best. Also, for other great deals, and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.